Back up a little bit. Yeah.
I don't want to yank it. I don't pull that tree.
Right there. Good.
Well, Matt's off-road recovery ropes work well on the Tug Hill.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jimmy Rig. Been a while since I posted a video. I'm going to try to get more deliberate about doing them sooner. Now that the season has changed, we have a lot of things planned this summer that we're going to do. Easter's coming up. It's April 13th. Done some work to the side-by-side to get it ready for trail riding. We're going to go up to Tug Hill today, this afternoon, and check out the trails. From what we're hearing, there's still a good pack base, about a foot deep of snow on the seasonal roads. I don't think any of the side-by-side trails are open yet, because of the amount of snow that's still up there. So we're going to check it out. But we were kind of worried that we're probably going to get stuck with a foot of snow. The side-by-sides are going up. My son's bringing his Razor. I'm bringing my Ranger. So what I've done is I put a rear winch on the back of my Ranger. Now the problem I've had with the rear winch system is because where my muffler placement is. So let me kind of just spin the camera around and show you what I'm talking about. So as you can see here on my Polaris Ranger 1000, which is just the premium model, not the XP. So it has a single overhead valve cam on it. The muffler comes out in the rear. You can see the muffler right there. So to put a winch up here on this bumper, when you tilt the bed, it wouldn't tilt because the winch will hit the muffler. And as of right now, with this bumper on, if I was to tilt the bed, it doesn't go up all the way because it hits this trailer hitch mount that I have on for the winch. What I'd like to do is put the winch in that little hole right there on top of the muffler, which then it wouldn't hit. But I'm going to have to cut these angles out and re-weld some supports in the back because that's the main support for the rear. So I'm going to have to do some work back there. And I'm not quite the greatest fabricator. I can definitely cut those out really easy, but it's fabricating the welding on the back side. So I'm going to have to get a friend over here to weld that up for me so we can do that. But right now I've got this temporary installed on this bumper mount from Harbor Freight, which spring Friday was this week. So I got this 5,000 pound winch for like 150 bucks. So if you want a winch, these Badland winches are really good. I've got a couple of them on one on a trailer, and this one here, they're real easy to install. I've kind of made this just a temporary hookup so you can pull it off and take it if you want somewhere else. I just kind of got the wires run with some zip ties up to the battery over there. And I got the mount here. Like I said, I want to mount that up there permanently so it's there. But having the feeling that when we're going to be doing riding today, we're going to get to a spot where we're going to need to pull out either way. So we have that capability of front or rear pull. So, but let's get this. I got to do some work, clean up the garage before I head out because my garage is a disaster today. And if anyone knows me, I cannot stand a disorganized garage. So I'll do that and we'll get the trailer loaded up and on the side-by-side on the trailer, and we'll get going from there. Okay, so it's time to load the side-by-side. I just want to show you guys this new trailer I got. It's a 24 short track. It's 18 foot long, and it's a really cool trailer. I like it. I haven't towed. This will be the first time putting the side-by-side on it. Got some good tie-down points on it. First thing I did was I put this winch on it. This Badlands 12,000 pound winch, so in case we want to do a car hauler or haul a car that's dead or something. And I put this solar panel on it, and I put this toolbox on here. And I didn't videotape this. I probably should have, but I'm not quite finished with it. My son's going to build me a battery box so I can put the switches in it. But you can see the solar panel comes in through the wires back here with the grommets to a solar charger. Let me see if I can see that. I got that from Harbor Freight with a battery on off switch. And then there's the plug for the winch. When the blue light's on, it actually means it's charging, so it maintains the battery pretty good. You can see how we had to mount it on there. And this has nice hookups for your chains. It's got a couple holes in the thing there for the chain. I like the way it's got the holder for the wire. And what I do is, I learned this from the guy I bought it from. I've done it before, but I run my wires through the top of the hitch. That way nothing dangles and hangs. It does have electric brakes, LED lights all the way around it. And the ramps pull right out of them little pockets right there. So if you guys happen to see my other trailer that I had before, it was a boat trailer converted. It did its job. It did what it did. It was hard to load it when it was snowing or something. So I think this will be a big improvement. I like the tandem axles. We plan on riding to like New Hampshire and Pennsylvania this year, so I wanted something that I could tow and be comfortable with. I think we can get the side-by-side and my son's Raptor on the back of it sideways, but we'll have to test that out. But here's my setup. So let me go get the side-by-side and get her loaded. Alright, so we're loaded up. First time loading, I just used straps in the back to tie down the front. The other way I used to do it on my other one, I had those wheel straps that went over the wheels with the Z track in the floor. And I still would always tie down the 3 straps, but I like to put the E-track system in here. The problem is the side-by-side is very small, narrow compared to a car. So if I ever put a car on her, you couldn't use that anyways. And I don't know how strong it would be for a car, so I don't know if that matters. Put in the comments what you guys think, if I should try to get that Z-track system, because then I could do all 4 wheels. I know it's better to tie down to the wheels and not the suspension, because the suspension can loosen up your straps, so I do know that. And I'm not going to use the winch to hold it down. Again, that's suspension, not hook up there. So yeah, so we got the rear winch on, so we're ready to go have some fun today up on Tug. Let me throw some snow boots in there, because I know we're going to be in a foot of snow on some of the trails, and it's probably going to be pretty muddy. But she's loaded, and I think we're ready to rock and roll. Alrighty, let's go have some fun. You got your gloves? Yeah. So we stopped at the Hook, grabbed some lunch, barbecue bacon cheeseburger. Got a lot of wheelers here. Not a lot, but Josh says his is the biggest, baddest in the whole world. Trails have been fun. Hit that tree. Maybe this was a little too long. Yeah.
front one?
Yeah.
Look at that. Yeah, you didn't even sink through the layer.
Yeah. Grab my winch.
You can't back up?
No, look at it. See that?
Come on.
Wait, we gotta grab the tree saver. Gotta use the tree saver.
This freaking piece of junk machine can't take it too often.
Huh? I did, Josh, but I was so right there I couldn't. Just hook it to a tree.
Wait till he goes in that corner right there.
Is it deep?
It's not deep, but it's freaking.
Look at yours. You didn't even go through the snow. As soon as we got onto the entrance to the trail, he sunk right in, just trying to get on the trail.
We gotta wait for it. Winch up!
Will it not pull it out?
Winch it, is it? You got block? You got block? You got block? Yeah.
What size is this front winch?
You got block? You double it up with?
Do you want to shut yours off, Josh? In case it overheats?
Can if you want, I'll get this ready.
You didn't put it in park?
Hold on while I get this ready, Dad.
You know, the Raptor would have made it through here.
You want to take the covers out the front and we use this?
No, I thought. I mean the clevis out the front. Yeah, use that soft
Because I
shackle.
can put a clevis on it.
Yeah, use the soft shackle. Don't leave my Polaris thing there. Then give me the other end of it. We'll hook right back to the front of it.
Gosh, it'd probably be easier without those giant gloves on.
I know, Josh.
Dad,
What?
you pulled on me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Not really, but.
Ah!
Take the gloves off.
Why are you fighting with gloves?
Some of us don't have enclosures over there.
She buried her good, huh?
See the back?
Driver error.
Driver.
I think you should have used the clevis right here, but.
Let's see.
I don't think it's any different.
Your front tires aren't spinning.
Oh. You had two-wheel drive this whole time?
Must have hit out of full drive.
Is it wind stopping or is it what?
Stopping.
Might have to pull it backwards.
You're gonna have to take out. Oh, you know why? Look, it's not on the thing.
Uh-oh. Pull up.
Yeah, kind of go backwards. Backwards the tree over there.
Unhook it. Just undo it.
We can let it all the way out to the grass over there so I can get my razor to it.
You know what I think we need to do? Pull it backwards.
That's what you said.
Or you want to let it all the way out so I can get on the grass up there, my razor?
No, I think I can hook to the back of this and pull it backwards, and then come back at it at a different angle.
I don't have no slack here, dude.
Did you get unhooked?
Almost.
Here, pull this. Pull the...
Here, try it again now.
This thing is going to keep taking off here in a second.
Why?
This little fabric thing.
Oh, come on now. Okay, now hold that.
Button on you?
Yeah, I'm gonna let me.
You better wrench it from.
What is it?
Keep on it the whole time and then see, and then give it gas.
That's what I'm doing.
I think if I got right there,
Hey, let's pull it backwards. I think the backwards is the way we gotta go there.
you just throw it on me. Just leave it like all the way loose. You get some more slings.
I got one.
Besides, this is 5,000 pounds. Let's see Harbor Freight versus Polaris winch.
This is a cable one. You don't want to stand too close to it.
Should be a thing that goes top as well.
Yeah, it needs the carpet thing, the weighted thing.
Man, I'm getting hot now. I'm outside the razor.
Not bad in the sun.
Oh, it's nice out now.
My hands are only a little cold.
My razor didn't sink in at all. I was close. I had a hard time telling where the trail was at first.
I know, you were like just walking on top of the snow like you had snowshoes on.
I think caught right there too. Beat that anyway the other place.
Oh, mostly. Yeah, well, right into it.
Hold on. Just throw it in the bed for now.
Huh?
Throw it in the bed till you get out to the corner
Yeah.
there.
Oh no, that might get wrapped up, Josh. He lets off the gas too much.
That's what I'm saying.
You gotta. That door's gonna pop open.
No, it's not.
Oh. You gotta send it all the way.
Don't let off.
Back up. No.
Forward. That's neutral. You're in reverse, you're just not getting enough gas, looks like.
No. Steer left and right. Make a hole. Make it wider. No.
Well, you went all the way out to that tree out front now. You're pretty straight
What?
out with that one.
What'd you say?
Go all the way out to that front tree.
You think all the way up there? You don't want to try to back it up one more time?
No, I don't think so.
The back winch, I think, is stronger. Oh, we can try the front one.
You just gotta get over this hump.
Yeah.
Once you hit this tree right here, you're
I'm gonna
good.
get my razor in so you can go to my razor and I can pull on you too.
I think I'm just going to pull your razor in.
No, I can't do some gas. I'll just pull you up there.
Ugh. Oh, that's deep.
I'm pulling right out of that.
You better.
Hey, I got my Matt's off-road rope.
Yeah, I should use that.
That'd be like a slingshot.
Ugh. I don't think it turned sharp enough. Well, now you done it.
Hey, let's see how bad these winches are.
Oh no, yeah, he's got the shorter rope. You gotta back up more.
Back up one.
Yeah, he's got the elastic rope.
In the snow though. Let's see how far that goes first. I think we need to stop that over there.
Will it fit through there?
Right here, thing?
Will it fit right around the trailer hitch hole? Yeah, that should be a good one.
That's probably the frame rate too. I mean, that's stiff.
It's a shame they weren't steel bumpers on you. Oh, he's close.
I can go back to this one there. So we're kind of trying to like leg it again on
Yeah, you just need to get back up more so you can get some speed first, Josh. Go like right here. More to me. Keep going. Yeah, get straighter. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, okay. That should give you enough, right? Get some speed. Into the tree backwards.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop once I hit that corner. So I don't want to get.
If you can get that far, he should be out.
Here, hold this. Ready?
You gotta send it though. Are you in low?
Oh, I'm gonna send it.
Are you in low?
Get afraid, buddy. I'm gonna send her.
Tender! Yeah! Oh, 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 oh!
I don't wanna.
He's done. He's stuck again.
What should I do? I don't wanna hit that tree. I guess I can try a little bit, huh?
Just
Hey,
get.
don't get yourself too stuck. Wait. Wait.
Stop! You're going deeper in. Oh wait.
Stay yanking, Jason. Just gonna hold.
Wait, no. Actually, he's getting out.
Keep close. Put it up more slow, Jason.
Back up a little bit.
Back up.
Yeah.
I don't want to yank it. I don't pull that tree.
Right there. Good!
Well, Matt's off-road recovery ropes work well on the Tug Hill.
Don't worry, the old Razor 800 is pulling you out all the time still.
All the time, it's the first time.
Yeah, but how many times have you had to pull the Razor 800
Can
out?
you back up a little bit?
Why didn't you pull forward?
I didn't want to run the rope over.
Pull forward.
No, I'll get my rope all muddy.
Can't have a dirty off-road rope, Josh.
There you go.
Found a grave.
That old Razor 800. She's a little tank. That Ranger 1000 down there, that's useless. Bring your go-kart next time, your golf cart.
The problem is it weighs as much as a tank.
Bring your little golf cart next time. Might be a
Of
better-
course, I'm never going to hear the end of this one now. It wasn't the rope that pulled it off.
Did it bend that bar, Josh?
No. That's a good bar to hook to for future reference.
It was the rope that helped, Josh. You probably could have hooked it to your arm and pulled it out. This is that Matt's off-road recovery rope. Best rope in the world to buy.
That Razor
Should-
800.
Should have gave it to me. I could have just ran.
James could have ran as skinny as he is and probably would have pulled it out.
How about you buy these Matt's off-road recovery trackers and say these Harbor Freight ones that are so stiff?
I know it. That's why I grabbed that blue one. They just have to be broke in, I think.
Well, by the time we get out of this trail, it probably will be.
Yeah, that 4,000 pound, that clear switch, I'm kind of disappointed in the front of that.
Yeah, it didn't do anything for you.
Didn't do anything.
Is it a Harbor Freight one on the back?
Harbor Freight one on the back, yeah.
You
Trying to put
you
Harbor
should-
Freight in the front
I
one.
was gonna say, give me your 4,500 pound. I can put it on this one. It'd be perfect
Oh
for this
yeah,
one.
that one you got.
Yeah, it didn't even shift yours at all.
Didn't move it.
No, not even a
that
wiggle.
5,000
It
pound
should have
one,
moved it a little bit.
it didn't move it at all.
I know,
It just
that's what I'm
clicked.
saying.
Click. It's a little disappointed
Take
in the
that
players.
sucker off, give me that, and I'll put it on my front of my Razor.
You know, if I take that
I don't think
one
it'll
off, I'll
fit.
put a 6,000 or 7,000 pound one.
Gets put on the back. Need a little tiny receiver.
I'll be able to use it, at least pull him out.
All right, let's see how far we can go up to the next one.
Should've just left the rope on, I could have pulled you all the way.
Might need to.
Okay, well, put this in there, Dave. Actually, my...
No, once you start getting the wind again. Ugh. You got my seat wet.
What? Watch that tree, he said. Here, put that back up there.
You gonna be able to make that turn?
I don't know. That snow is deep.
You would stay on top for a little bit and then you start sinking it back in. Man, that is tight.
That is.
about an inch.
Come on, girl. Come on. Come on, old boo.
You better send it up this hill.
Yeah. Get out of the way, Josh. Get out of the way.
Look at him. He's barely even going into this.
Yeah, I know. He's not even sinking. Oh, that looks deep right there where he just hit. Ooh, this is going to be tight, James.
Uh-oh. Straighten it. Turn it. Oh. Keep steering. Keep steering. No.
Take the camera. You dying on me or what?
Shut up. Oh.
Road machine you got
Yeah,
there.
but look at your ruts. They're not even ruts. Look at his.
You might want to keep that sucker on the pavement there, go Maltron or something with it.
It needs some tracks.
We got 17 inches of clearance.
That don't do you no good, does
No,
it?
don't do me no good.
This is going to be tougher because I got a hard surgery now.
No, I know it. But I think this road makes the road different.
I'm just going to send it, I'm going to keep going.
Yeah. Keep going until you keep going no more. James just got to run behind us.
Right in front of us, he's pointing
It's alright, I don't go in the snow. I stay on top of it.
I'm going to dig in as soon as this rope catches here.
Yeah, we don't want to get them both stuck. We'll have to go pull you out with the Raptor.
I can't even open my door.
Alright.
Make sure that tap the screen.
I don't know.
Right side up.
It's on right now, right side up.
I should get to go full send, right?
Yeah.
Rope good.
Full send, don't let off.
Road to hold it, and then just keep going. You'll stop for a second, but just max off road.
Make sure by the time I get to the end, you're spinning already.
I'm moving, so yeah. I just don't want to run the rope over, so keep going with it.
Good send it, bud!
Full send or no send. I was able to keep up.
That's brilliant!
You're right, James.
Making the sick person run. Why am I not driving one?
Ooh, that's true. I should put my seatbelt on.
Right, I don't feel nothing on this side.
I threw me.
No, it's nice and gentle on this end.
If I would have my seatbelt on, I probably would have been alright. You're definitely when I finally
Did
got
it?
I didn't know if we were going to get it at first.
Oh yeah, I knew she was coming. When you started moving me, I just stepped on it and it just...
You would have got stuck in another spot if I didn't keep going.
Yeah, she's pretty deep through there.
Let's go look at the ruts here. Get on camera.
Oh. Yeah, look at that. You didn't do that.
I did it this time.
In, Josh.
What?
You were actually sinking in.
Yeah, once he had your weight.
Yeah.
Look at the ruts right there. I was worried once they ate that mud. You can see I was scraping. I was scraping right here.
I was sinking right here.
It's just deep snow.
Well, it's snowing in mud.
Yeah.
This is sponsored by Caleb Judd. Thank you, Caleb.
We're almost out, aren't we?
Let's back to that parking lot. I
We
think
don't want to risk getting you stuck too.
Oh, I ain't getting stuck. That's the age 800. I didn't go off there like you guys.
I think if Josh did get stuck, he might be able to pick it up out of it.
Yeah, one of these winches will work at mine. You know, Dad's
Yeah, because he's an anchor.
He's gonna pull me out.
Put your seatbelt on, it gets pretty. We hit a tree.
Mud's the easy part.
Yeah, mud's nothing. The problem is the snow keeps you up off the ground, so your wheels aren't touching. This is gonna be, if this is on the main road, I wonder how the bank is before you get out the main road.
Better go now.
Yo! Boy, my tires do kick some snow up, don't they?
If you're going any slower, you wouldn't made it.
No.
Oh, you're gonna have to send it through there.
Oh yeah. Come on, Josh, get out of there. He just rides right up across the top of it. Oh boy. Oh, you gotta go up there? Alright. Watch out for them trees. Right here is deep.
Whoa. Come on, catch that dirt. Catch that dirt.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on,
moving.
come on, she's still moving. Come on, girl. Come on, baby. Come on, old blue. Come on, you got her, come on.
There it is, there it is, there it is.
There she goes. Come on, girl, come on, keep climbing, keep digging. No, keep digging, no, keep digging.
Nope. Can you go any wider?
I know, that's what I'm thinking. I got into that bank over there, I think. Is
That's
where
a road right there.
something's over there.
You just go straight over the hill. Yeah, can we go straight over there? Hold on, let me look at that. We might have better luck if we can.
I don't know if we can. Here, take this.
All right. If you came right there, you could. Stay right here. I told him to drive right through here.
Yeah, send it. Right through this bush right here.
We almost got stuck at the bottom. It was like 0.3 miles an hour.
Chicks got full of ram and ram.
I think if he goes back to that tree, he can go straight through here.
I might get it now. Full speed. What do you say?
Won't turn.
Full speed.
I don't know. It's already got the motor back there.
Up and down. Let me drive. Let me drive.
I don't feel like that's full throttle. Well, you're close enough to the dirt to get him.
Hey, come on.
He can't get out.
Hey, we'll see you back to the house.
I'm gonna ride with Josh.
Dave's gonna have
Hook me up. Back that razor back down here.
I'm telling you, you could have made it over that hill.
I couldn't turn it.
You had to go back farther.
Josh, come on.
I know. No, I think you do.
Good speed going.
I think he needs all of it.
This is the third time I've had this exhaust pole when I shut it off.
Hey, it's kind of hot in the sun.
I need to get a little trailer hitch for this.
Yeah, you do with a hook on it. Then you wouldn't even need that shackle.
Oh, I forgot to put
The rope through it. You gonna buckle up this time?
Are you gonna get out this time? I hope so.
Are you gonna try to hook it left?
Should I?
How much farther is it to go that way?
You want me to go back to the road? Or you want me to go straight?
Straight until he gets out and then he'll drive out.
I don't know, it doesn't think he can drive out much.
That was a little bit hard of a yank. You didn't need to yank it that hard. What? You didn't need to yank it that hard.
He slowed down quite a bit. You gonna be able to make that turn?
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all mostly stay in the grass. You can get out now or what? Let's go.
You should continue through the end of it?
I don't see why not.
Hop in and meet the camera, we'll go to the parking lot.
Let's make sure Dad gets out first.
Where's the parking lot? Right down here at the end? I'll meet you. I'll come save you.
You got it.
He might not. With his current track record. Hold that for a second. Was the seat all wet?
Not too bad. So that nose. Is it on?
Yeah.
I think it's upside down though. How long is it upside down for?
I don't know. Oh, now it is upside down. How do you? Oh wait, yeah, you're supposed to hold it like this, that's right. Wait, let me buckle up so I don't fall out. Pull that, would you? Nope, not buckling. Oh, there it is. Alright, all I gotta do is not drop this.
Okay, there you watch. I'm pushing it now.
Oh, come on! Are you serious? You can wait, you can make it around. Oh, no, you can't.
Where's the trail you go after that? Do you go that way or do you go this way? Right there, I think. Isn't it?
Can you get between that tree?
Yeah?
I don't know. Oh.
Nope.
It's here.
Okay, over that?
Yeah, can you drive over that?
Hold on, James.
Oh, yeah. She made it.
Think about freaking cheese just stopped 800?
No. Uh-uh. Oh, no.
No, I'll go with she crawls right through this kind of stuff. Yeah. I can't reach it.
What is it?
Ice road side by side in right here. Watch out. Uh-oh.
What? Oh, did that get stuck?
No, there's so many pockets end of the trail.
Well. Take two, we got it. We're not stuck yet.
Hold on, I'll push you back. You got it, Rocket.
Wait, he'll push it. Side though.
Should I go for it?
Go for it.
Hold on.
Take two, we got it. We're not stuck yet.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'll push you back.
Rocket. Wait, he'll push us. He'll push us.
Just 1, 2.
We're off. We're off. We're off. We're good. All right.
You got it. You got it. Here for my side by side right there.
Just go straight and you'll be good.
That's probably what you got.
Yeah, but.
Yeah, made it! We made it! Woo!
That was pretty impressive.
I know, it was. Look at that. It's as tall as that.
Did it!
1,000, your range 1,000, can you make it through the 2 inches of snow? I made over a 6 foot snowbank.
Yeah, that was solid.
Let's go fix that.
Alright, back home. Okay, that was an adventure for today. Yeah, I'm not too impressed with the Polaris winch.
No, it's garbage. Not one that he had those players. Was
Think
garbage
you can make it home without getting stuck or what?
I don't know, it's gonna be a tough one.
Now it's around right here.
Went to drive over a tree.
Did ya?
Yep.
He's got me on. He's lighter. Pretty good. Not really. I mean, they were fun. We had a good time. Lots of snow. Weekend before Easter on Tug Hill. Josh and the Ranger to the rescue, and thanks for Matt's off-road recovery rope. Saved the day. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next ride. Do you guys want to say anything?
We won't get stuck.